Welcome back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. I have been reading some of the comments, and it looks like some of you want more customer service based jobs. So that is what I have for you today. But as always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because even if I am not responding to everything, I am reading those comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I am really trying to find and share job leads that are helpful to you. So I do want to ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads that I am sharing, please give this video a thumbs up like button, because that gives me direct feedback that these are helpful, and also sharing is caring, so share with your friends and family if you think any of these would be helpful to them. Today's job lead is from the company Zeal. Now, Zeal is a leading provider of trusted health and wellness services in the home. They're looking for an innovative associate to join their customer support team. Now, it does say this is a full-time position. It will require evenings, weekends, and holidays hours. It is not a standard 9 to 5, but this position may be fully remote anywhere within the United States, so they do not have any state restrictions. But they are looking for someone to serve as the public face of Zeal by providing, of course, top-notch customer service for all inbound and outbound communications with users and providers. So you'll have to communicate with the customers and wellness providers via text, live chat, email, and phone. You'll handle any escalations with frustrated customers and providers. You'll fulfill and schedule bookings and requested wellness providers in the network. You'll escalate any top priority or critical issues, and you'll improve the documentation that helps the Zeal users help themselves. Now, they are looking for someone who has 3 to 4 years of experience in a customer service role, someone who has great verbal and written communication skills in English. If you have experience with a ticketing system such as Zendesk, that is a plus. They want someone who has the ability to use empathy and de-escalate difficult situations, and someone who has a background in marketplace companies. Now, they don't require any kind of a college degree, and they are paying $19.50 an hour. On top of the pay, they do offer standard benefits as far as medical, dental, and vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.